Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla plans to expand Gigafactory Texas, filings show. GM CEO Mary Barra stands by ambitious Tesla, beating EV pledge for 2025. Tesla starts rolling out FSD Beta 10.13. And Tesla launches self-diagnostic feature in its app for painless service requests. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla is planning to expand Gigafactory Texas, its newest electric vehicle production plant that is located just outside Austin city limits, filings show. Tesla is planning to build on a 68.11-acre plot of land located adjacent to the factory's main property, with plans for industrial use facilities with associated improvements, the filings stated. First reported by Austin Business Journal, the project is listed as a production support area, and not many other details are known currently. As the filings show, Tesla is still working through the approval process. Tesla has been purchasing additional land, submitting plans for expansion, and working to broaden Gigafactory Texas and its entire footprint. In late June, Tesla filed to expand Gigafactory Texas by 500,000 square feet, working on expanding the General Assembly 2 and 3. This followed February filings that showed a 220,000 square foot warehouse was planned on site, with construction beginning in June, with a BESS system to support energy generation and storage. Gigafactory Texas is set to be Tesla's most complete manufacturing facility in its lineup of production plants. Not only will it build Tesla's most recent and advanced vehicles, but it will also produce the cells that make them the most advanced vehicles, the 4680 cell. It's a massive facility, and it can fit 194 billion hamsters and is 3 times the size of the Pentagon. It is also the second largest building in the world by volume. Tesla has been delivering Model Ys from Gigafactory Texas since the company's Cyber Rodeo event in early April. Moving to the next update, GM CEO Mary Barra stands by ambitious Tesla, beating EV pledge for 2025. Tesla's lead in the global all-electric vehicle sales market may be growing, but GM CEO Mary Barra believes that her company can still top the segment. Despite selling less than 10% of the electric cars that Tesla sold last year, Barra stated that GM can still sell more EVs in the United States than Tesla by the middle of the decade. That's only 2.5 years away. The GM CEO's comments are quite admirable, especially since the company already lags behind peers like Ford in the electric vehicle transition. Accomplishing such a feat will not be easy, however, especially amidst rising inflation, increasing interest rates, soaring material costs, and the pervading global chip crisis. Despite all this, Barra noted in an interview with the Associated Press that she remains confident that GM can unseat Tesla with higher-priced specialty vehicles, and it would beat Elon Musk's EV company to high-range EVs at prices that are attainable for mainstream car buyers. To really get to 30, 40, 50% EVs being sold, you have to appeal to people that are in that $30,000 to $35,000 price range, Barra said. GM has started a number of initiatives that would effectively give the company a lineup of electric cars that can accommodate buyers from all walks of life. The company has already pledged to cut the starting price of the Chevrolet Bolt to about $26,000 later this year, and GM is planning to roll out an Equinox SUV with 300 miles of range for around $30,000 in the fall of 2023. A Chevy Blazer electric SUV is also expected to be unveiled soon. Considering the lead that Tesla has and the momentum of old rivals such as Ford in the electric vehicle sector, GM seems to be betting on variety as a key to its strategy. Barra noted that the EVs that GM are unveiling and releasing now are only the beginning, as there's more to come amidst the company's efforts to offer 30 battery electric cars globally by 2025. An attack on the mainstream market may be a good idea for GM as a strategy to catch up to leading EV makers like Tesla today. But even with such a strategy, attaining Tesla's level today and overtaking the Elon Musk-led company by the middle of the decade seems extremely optimistic at best. Considering that GM's electric cars sold less than 10% of Tesla's estimated US sales last year, the veteran automaker would have to hope that Elon Musk stops innovating and growing Tesla, somehow secure enough batteries for millions of vehicles, and have everything go according to plan for the next couple of years for the CEO's ambitious prediction to come true. Moving to the next update, Tesla starts rolling out FSD Beta 10.13. It appears that Tesla's internal beta of FSD Beta 10.13 was successful, as reports recently emerged that the highly anticipated iteration of the advanced driver assist system has started rolling out to consumer vehicles. A good portion of the update's release notes has also been shared online. As former Tesla AI director Andrej Karpathy announced his departure from the company last week, CEO Elon Musk remarked that FSD Beta 10.13 should handle some tough left turns. Musk also remarked that the recent 10.x updates of FSD Beta are already mostly at version 11 in terms of their capabilities, though FSD Beta version 11 itself should still be released hopefully next month. Interestingly enough, one of the first observed vehicles that received FSD Beta 10.13 was a Model Y from Gigafactory Texas, a vehicle with a 4680 battery pack. This is quite an interesting development, as FSD Beta and 4680 battery packs are among Tesla's most important projects in recent years. Just as stated by Elon Musk, FSD Beta 10.13's release notes directly reference beta tester Chuck Cook's extremely challenging unprotected left turn, as well as other notable improvements on false positives and false slowdowns around crosswalks. While FSD Beta 10.13 would most definitely not be the final iteration of the advanced driver assist system, it promises to be a substantial improvement overall. Moving to the last update, Tesla launches self-diagnostic feature in its app for painless service requests. Tesla has added a self-diagnostic feature to its smartphone app that will help owners determine if their car is in need of service. The new feature will likely bring painless service requests for owners and could result in a more streamlined service experience, something the automaker has admittedly struggled with. Most drivers can tell when something is off with their car, but sometimes it is a little more difficult to tell whether or not your car is in need of service. The new self-diagnostics feature essentially takes the guessing game out of the equation and will immediately give owners an answer of whether their car is in need of service from one of Tesla's service centers. The app update will also allow owners to attach photos of the issue if the self-diagnostics feature recognizes something is wrong. Tesla Adri, who showed examples of the feature, added an example in a Twitter thread. Scheduling a service for certain categories triggers the diagnostics and informs you if a fault is present and if service is required, he said. The feature will likely improve the overall service experience for owners as well. Tesla has admittedly struggled with its service and has worked diligently to improve the experience, pledging to add a new service center every week in 2021. Immediate determination of whether a vehicle needs service will not only allow Tesla's service technicians, who are trained by the company's SMART program, to prepare and fix a problem in less time, but will also keep vehicles that don't have anything wrong with them out of the service queue. The new self-diagnostic feature will save owners a lot of money and time and will likely make technicians' life significantly easier. With the app already diagnosing the issues that the vehicle may have, it takes an entire step out of the process, and technicians can likely prepare for the repair while the vehicle is on its way to the service center. This is a relatively big step forward for the service side of Tesla and could help the company solve 2/3 of vehicle issues in the same day, as CEO Elon Musk once set as a goal. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.